Hello everybody. This is a short presentation about Laravel, and specifically I would like to show you how to use a modal window or modal box in the Laravel framework and how to fill the content of the model with data obtained via Ajax. Nothing advanced, but we are not going to teach PHP or JavaScript. We assume you know it already. We are only, this is for persons who just installed a Laravel and would like to make a step forward in this framework. Look at this. If you know this screen, you have probably installed Laravel, and this presentation will be just for you. This is also our starting point. We will start our work with the basic screen the Laravel has created for us, and the end of our work will be this. This is what I would like to achieve. A dashboard. A company like ours has servers in different countries. The servers have error logs, and I would like to, by a click on a button, I would like to see if there are errors and on that server and what they are, like this. Okay, this is for Seoul, and it shows there is a fatal error. Too many connections. Wow. Okay, this is the job to be done, and it will take more than half an hour probably. We will see. Cool, this was the first part.